We have something to learn. In this video, we are going to discuss and learn some basic to advanced finger tricks to do on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's going to be very useful for you, as many of us don't know how to turn a Rubik's Cube efficiently, even if we know good algorithms. First, we are going to learn some basic finger tricks. So for basic finger tricks, we have to learn U moves like this, U prime with the left index, U moves with the left and right index finger, and U2 like this. So U2 like this is kinda hard to practice, but when you practice it on and on, it comes very easily. Now we are going to learn finger tricks for R, R prime, L and L prime moves. So first, for R move, we are going to use the whole right hand like this. You can do it like this, and R prime like this, and L and L prime, L and L prime like this. So for a basic example over here, we are taking the T-perm algorithm. So here we are doing like this, inserting, so here we also saw some F and F prime moves. So for F and F prime moves, we have to either use some beginner. For beginners, you can rotate this cube and do it like U, or for intermediate solvers, you can do it like this, and F prime like this with the right thumb. And for cases with where left finger comes to use, you can do it like this, and F prime like this. Moved on to some intermediate finger tricks like F and F prime moves like this. So now we are going to learn R and U moves like this. So sequences of R and U moves, like on the T permutation alg. Like this. We are gonna start like this: U prime, R prime F, yeah, and see, I'm doing the U move like this, and F prime. So finger tricks like this are very important for sub 15, sub 20s, and good algorithms of OLL and PLL. You can see in the V perm alg, we are doing the drag like this with your pinky finger over here. So pinky is this. We are doing it like this, or even like this. So here I am executing the V perm algorithm. See, I am executing the pinky and so see, this V perm algorithm is very fast. You can use this algorithm. If you don't use this algorithm, I would recommend to use this algorithm. So for getting faster, you need to know some points that are turning faster, that is to increase your TPS and to improve look ahead on solves like this solve. We can see this cross, white cross aligned like this, and wrong cross piece is the pair inserted in here, and the green cross piece lies over here. So we also have this edge over here. So if you know X cross, this is gonna be a double X cross. We have two pairs over here to be done easily. So here I can do R2 D R2 for the X cross, and we simply have this pair with this corner, so we can do this easily. And if you saw, this corner is aligned like this and this edge is over here misaligned. So putting this here and solving it as a back slot, doing wide R prime U R U and M prime like this, solves the F12 very easily. So for practicing look ahead like this, I would recommend hand scrambling. You may always choose a corner of your choice, like I choose this corner, okay, the red, blue and yellow corner. So while hand scrambling, keep track of that corner, will improve your look ahead drastically. Okay, and doing slow solves like this while not using the inspection and all. So where's that edge? Okay, this solve was not that great for a hand scramble, as I am seeing through the camera and then solving, but this could have been much better if I could have solved. See, I'm doing the wrong algorithm for the Z perm, so you have to understand my condition right now while recording. So just remember these points, just to choose a corner and then hand scramble. This corner is right there. Yes. See, I still know the corner is here. So you have to remember the corner, where's the corner, and then hand scramble, keep on hand scrambling, and then do a slow, I mean considerably slower solve than your usual while you're timing the solves. So we talked about some really important tricks video in my sub X series playlist, and this will be my first video for the playlist. But even if you don't know, I'm very busy now, as school stuff has started online due to COVID-19. So I'm into focus of that more now than on cubing and on this YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, like the video and share. into the community, because this cubing community is growing day by day and is kind of affected right now due to the COVID-19. So hashtag stay home, stay safe, hashtag with me.